faint, weak and dizzy. She felt faint after standing in the sun too long. He looked faint and needed water. Sadistic. Enjoying hurting or upsetting others. His sadistic behavior scared everyone. A sadistic person enjoys causing pain. Opulent. Very rich and expensive looking. She wore an opulent dress to the party. The wealthy man lived in an opulent mansion. Benevolent. Kind, helpful and caring. A benevolent man donated food to the poor. The benevolent teacher always helps her students. Weary. Very tired. I felt weary after working all day. She looked weary from the long trip. Squalid. Very dirty, messy and unpleasant. They lived in a squalid little room. After weeks without cleaning, the kitchen became squalid. Pardon. To forgive someone or excuse their mistake. He asked the teacher to pardon his small error. Please pardon me. I didn't see you there. Gallant. Brave, polite, or noble. The gallant firefighter saved the child. He made a gallant effort to help her. Elated. Extremely happy and excited. She felt elated after getting the job. I was elated to meet my favorite actor.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!